Alright, everything is primed up. I'm gonna have Tom crank it over, do the honors. Yep, go for it. Come on. Almost. Just trying to get fuel pressure. Almost there. There it is. Woo! Nice and quiet. Sounds good. All right, it's up and running. That's awesome. We'll let it run for a while, get up to operating temperature, do all the checks, and then check back with you guys. Well, we're in the car and we're going for a drive. So far, clutch feels good. First gear right now. It's funny, it's telling me to shift to third because the RPM's too high. It's funny. Shifter feels all right. Definitely needs some work. I'm gonna do a short shifter in it. Brakes feel good. On the accent, I'm getting on it. So far, so good. Yeah, the sun's bright right here. Downshift, clutch holds that, that's good. Boost a little bit. Feels pretty good. So far it's running smooth. Alignment's definitely off. That's steering wheel's not even straight, so be doing an alignment for sure. Display is awesome. Can't even see anything. So I went to reset the service light, and it said service since 15,800 miles or 255 days. I'll show the picture of it right here. But yeah, that's a long time if that's legit. I mean, that's crazy. That means it would be 25,000 miles total on the oil. It was pretty damn black, but I don't think it was that old. That'd be sludge. So I don't know. It's kind of funny. Let's reset the TPM light, shall we? There we go. No sense in having a tire pressure light on. I know the tire pressures are good. But yeah, no, it's doing good. AC works. my auxiliary cooling fan, the secondary one, not so the passenger side fan is not working. We'll get that figured out. Yeah, so far first drive's going good. AC's blowing cold. It's a plus. I'm not gonna leave it on too long since there's only one fan. I'll overwork the main fan. Probably end up overheating too, but yeah, it's good to go. Yeah, so this has been a good drive so far, especially for just installing the cylinder head with new valves, intake valves, and getting it all back together. But it seems to be driving good. Shift's good. Accelerates pretty good for stock. Well, I definitely need to get a tune on this quick, but until then, I'll get all the little things fixed here and there and finish up the maintenance. Whoa, trash flying around here, but anyway, I'll check back when we get back. Made it home. 37 miles on the odometer since the engine started running. Thank you everybody that's been watching this build. It's been a fun one. I'm really excited to see how this car turns out tuning wise, because it runs really good. It runs really good, and I'm very happy with that. Clutch holds well, so I'm hoping to at least hold a stage 1 tune power, but we'll see how things go. Thanks for watching, guys.